Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can enable your one-handed mode in your Realme device. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to click on settings, and then you have to click on system, and here it is gestures. Click on one-handed mode, and here you have to click on this, and then you have to click on this and click on this, and here it is the shortcut. You have to click on this, and friends, your one-handed mode is now. You can use this like this, you can see. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.